Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about the Insta360 GO 3S, which is this baby right here, in case you're not familiar. And I have to say, this baby definitely comes with a lot of accessories, which are super handy. Moving to the content of the box, once you open it, you have this little number, and inside there's some instruction and also the charging cable. Next up, here's our new camera. I'm gonna set this aside for just a second while we go through the accessories first. Most of these are also magnetic, which is how you get the camera to attach to them, and not gonna lie, it's actually kind of sick. So it comes with this magnetic pendant, this easy clip that can definitely be attached to a hat. Then this next one is called a pivot stand, and these two parts actually belong together, so just twist them like that, and here you have it. Onto the camera itself, this thing is super small, and the crazy part is that you can make it even smaller. So this is the actual camera, and then this guy right here is called the action pod, and it's crazy because this thing can definitely be used alone, and it's pretty much meant for the different accessories. We're gonna get a bit more into the logistics of the camera and everything you need to know at the end of this video, when I'm also gonna do a little review, but for now, let's go test this out. I've been messing around with this little guy for quite some time now, and I feel like I'm finally ready to share my thoughts. I need to thank my boyfriend if I'm filming this video, because this is technically his camera. He's the one who wanted to get it, he's the one who made all the research about it, and with that in mind, this is definitely not my camera. It's not something that I would probably go ahead and purchase myself, but I did had fun testing it out, and I do think it's a good camera, just not for me. You guys know that I'm super devoted to my Canon G7X. I recently got my Mark III as well, and I'm obsessed with this little baby. If you guys remember, I tested the V10 back in the day, and in that video I said how that camera was not meant for me, and this little guy definitely reminds me of the V10, but I do think it's better. Similar to that camera, the GO 3S also has a wide lens. Some people love it, some people hate it. I'm personally not a fan of the wide lens, but what I like about this camera is that if you put the stabilization on, you still have that wide lens effect, which is definitely something that was not there on the V10. Also, I have to give it to them, the quality of the image is super good. We have it on the 4K setting, and oh my god, I'm definitely impressed. And also the audio, you can be super far away from the camera and it still picks up your voice, which is insane. And if it's like super windy outside, you don't hear the wind, which I'm like, how do you do this? So those are definitely some pros. You can also start to record straight away once you turn it on if you wanted to, which is I think a great feature. And together with all the different accessories, I feel like you can definitely get the most out of it. I do want to try to record some cool POVs or like vertical content. I feel like this is what I would use this camera for, but I feel like some people could also maybe vlog with it. I don't think I personally can, just because I love to capture details, and with a camera like this that has like no real zoom, it's very hard to do so, but I can see like a normal standard vlog being filmed with this camera. I almost forgot to mention, but this baby is technically waterproof. I'm still yet to try that feature, but I definitely cannot wait to go to Sicily and try it out in the summer. Also, just to clarify, the action pod is not waterproof, just the actual camera is. Talking about negatives, there's only one that comes to mind, but to me at least it's a big one, and it's the fact that you're not able to add an external memory card. What I mean by that is when you're purchasing the camera, you need to decide how many gigabytes you want it to have. I believe there are two options on their website, and of course depending on which one you end up choosing, the price is slightly different. So that's definitely something to keep in mind if you're someone that edits on the go. I don't think that's going to be like an issue, but if you're someone who spends a whole day out making content and then comes back home and wants to edit them all, then you might want to get the extra gigabytes. Also, talking about the all editing on the go, this camera comes with an app where you can pretty much edit your video. I personally don't have the app, but my boyfriend does, and I definitely had a pick at it and it looks super like easy and intuitive. And they even have this AI software that edits the video for you, so if that's something you're interested in, it's there. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I want to address, but I think this is it. Do I recommend this camera? I honestly do. It's definitely not my cup of tea, like I said, and if your content is anything like mine, you're probably not gonna like it. But if you want to experiment with different POVs, or you just want to vlog your day when you're out and about, then I think it's a great camera. With all of these in mind, I think I'm gonna give this camera a thumbs up. And definitely let me know in the comments below if you have it, what do you think of it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
When something told me not to go, I couldn't go any further. I waited for you to come, but you didn't know. You left me standing. I walked away the way I've done before.